welcome in Zero to Infinity channel. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. This is our legal disclaimer. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode number 1 and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefits. What was the episode number 1 in the nutshell? This is the technique number 1 for which we have clearly understood that do the Ujjayi breathing. What is the meaning of the Ujjayi breathing? If you want to see the details, kindly refer the episode number 1. This is the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing. Kindly do with deeply, happily and for the longer duration, at least for the 3% of the day. This means normally 44 minutes because the 1% constitutes roughly 14.4 minutes. Try to longer hold the breath inside and outside and you will see the miracle results. This is the present condition of the world. Nearly 15.01 million has been infected. 6.19 lakh persons have been died due to the corona. The nations are racing with each other. United Nations at the first, Brazil, India, Russia, South Africa, Peru, Mexico, Chile. No place is safe from the corona and the COVID, and we have to think for that. This is the technique number 2. Do Indian yogic technique named Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breath with the closed eyes with as fast speed as you can do at least till 5 to 10 minutes. What will be happen with this? Feel the burst of the purest pure clean energy. What is the meaning of the energy? This is the body electricity energy or the chi energy in terminology of the China, which shall clean your breathing circuit and energize it. The immunity of your breath circuit will defeat the corona and the COVID-19. Kindly Google it or the YouTube it for the more details and learning. The world knowledge is at your fingers. Get benefited by it. And the effect will happen if you do it. Once again I am saying, if you will do it, then it will work. Otherwise, you know the thousand of the things, lakhs of the things and the crores of the things. But until and unless you will do the works and have the faith on the techniques, it will not work. It will not work. That's why I request kindly no for the 1 minute or the 2 minutes, but kindly do for the time mentioned or minimum mentioned by me or more than it. We will just see a small video that how to do the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing.
Basically taken mostly from the chest. So when we inhale in with deep force, like full force. And when we exhale out with full force too. So we'll do it like this. Close your eyes, absorb the feeling so that you can absorb all the benefits of Bellows breath. This is yogic coffee. Let the prana, the oxygen, the nutrients flow all the way to every last cell in your body that has been lying lazily, that is barely getting enough oxygen to survive. Let the oxygen flow in. Let the oxygen go into the cellular level, through the cytoplasm, inside the cell. Let the metabolic activity create the waste carbon dioxide and let that come out and get exchanged with more oxygen. Let there be cell regeneration. Let there be curative action. Let the breath cure the cell. Let the breath make the cell happy and healthy again. Gently open your eyes. Bellows breath. Bhastrika. Namaste.
Friends, we have seen a small video on the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing. It will generate energy in your body, and you can visually see the difference. You can visually see the energy flow vibrations, because the energy is the same energy which the China is saying the chi energy, or you can see the vibration energy. You will feel the body electricity inside it, and this body electricity will work on your breathing circuit and cure the corona. And this is the food for the logical brains. The world is also beyond the logical. Super logics are there, super feelings are there, but there are many of the persons which need logic, that why I should do it, that's why I have to write it, otherwise it is not necessary. But as there is a difference in between the point and shoot camera and the professional camera. Point and shoot camera, this means you just click the button and capture the image. But what about the professional camera? You set the things, but you will able to good set the things if you know about the camera functions, that how to do it. That's why we are doing, we are explaining it, the first principle. Or what is the meaning of the first principle? This means the basics of the concept should be very much clear. Although we will talk about the concept in the future episode, future hundreds and thousands of the episode, we will talk about the basics. But here the need of the hour is to fight with the corona. That's why we are especially very quickly concentrating only and only on the corona and the COVID-19. That's why we are in very much hurry, and 99.99% all the episodes of the corona will be completed today itself, today or by tomorrow, 101% guarantee. These are the logics behind these techniques. Why the Indian technique Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing? Because it will generate the energy, body electricity energy or the chi energy. 0.1 unit of the positive energy generation is equal to deletion of the 0.1 unit negative energy. As we know that any disease is just like the black energy or the negative energy. Corona is one of the black energies there. Then how to delete it? We will delete it with the positive energy generation and use it properly and the logically. Why the closed eyes? The eyes are biggest consumer of the energy. Hence the closed eyes are for the conservation of the energy for the longer time duration. As we know, we have very limited energy. We do not have the bulk and the flow of the energy very much. That's why we have to think about every penny, every unit, every dollar of the energy. That's why we are saying that kindly close the eyes so that the conservation of the energy will be more and more. And the fast speed, as full blow of the breath, more will be the generation of the energy, body electricity, energy and the chi energy. As much fast as you will do, the more the fast you will hit your fast you will leave the breath, the generation of the energy will be very much, and you can feel it by your experiment on yourself. This is also the truth of the application part of the truth. And this is one of the questions why we are discussing application of the concept instead of the main concept. I am saying again and again that we humans are very much selfish nowadays in the Kali Yuga, in the dark age, in this particular black age. That's why we love the OOP or the object oriented programming approach only. Nowadays, the focus of the human is on the results instead of the enjoying the journey of the efforts. Efforts are very much important, but we are just mere concerned about the results only. If I will discuss mere theory and the concept, then the application you will certainly bored. But if I will tell the benefits and the application first, it may create your interest and the consume less time to act upon the pandemic COVID-19. And this is the need of our. This is our technique number 3. Do the Indian yogic technique Anulom Vilom breathing. It is also called as a alternate nostril breathing with closed eyes, with happiness and for the longer duration. Repeating, do Indian yogic technique Anulom Vilom breathing, alternate nostril breathing with closed eyes, with happiness for the longer duration. And what will be the effect on it? The energy. What is the meaning of the energy? The body electricity, chi energy generated by the technique number 2, the Bhastrika breathing, will be stable, balanced and will get digested by your body. The breath circuit will be stable and strong with the generated energy, and the immunity of your breathing circuit will defeat the corona or the COVID-19 101%. Kindly Google it or YouTube it for details and learning. The world knowledge is at your fingers. Get benefited by it. We all Indians or all developing country persons, if we are facing any kind of the Android problem, any kind of the technical problem, we are just YouTubing, we are just Googling it so that we can learn more about it. Then why not the complete world can do the same for the things which I am telling. These are the ancient knowledge of the India, the ancient civilization knowledge is there. It may be of the Chinese, it may be of the Egyptian, it may be of the Indian civilization, it may be the Mayan civilization. I am representing the old and the ancient knowledge of these old civilization which are nearly 5,000 or the 10,000 year old. And effect will happen if you do it. And we will once again see a small video to learn it.
Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Fold the index and the middle finger of the right hand inward and extend the thumb and the little finger. Seal the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Hold your breath for a beat. Transfer the fingers, blocking the left nostril with the little finger and breathe out through the right nostril, attempting to take as long exhaling as you did inhaling. Pause for a beat and now breathe in through the same right nostril. Hold for a beat. Transfer the fingers again, breathing out through the left nostril this time. This is one cycle. You should aim to do 5 at the very least. Not only does this ensure that you are breathing clearly through both nostrils, but radically enhances the supply of oxygen to the brain. It's excellent for sinus patients and works surprisingly well at calming oneself down. It is also an excellent preparation for meditation.
If you want to go more detail, then certainly you can YouTube it and the Google it, and effect will happen if you do it. By mere knowing the things will not do anything for you, 101%. And this is the summary. Once again, the technique number 1 is do the Ujjayi breathing, the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing. This is the use of available energy to fight the COVID-19. We are talked only about the available energy, but the available energy is comparatively very less. It is just to need the day-to-day things only. But the COVID is very much tough and pandemic disease. That's why we have to increase our energy level, our chi level. So there are thousands of the techniques to generate the energy. You can still research the how to generate the chi energy. You will find infinity techniques in the Chinese civilization. But I have to tell one of the technique, that is the Bhastrika pranayam or the bellow breathing. We have discussed in the technique number 2. It will generate the energy to fight the corona or the COVID-19. And the technique number 1 technique number 3 is you have just generated the energy, but how to utilize it? Because just like the sprinkler farming is there, you have the very little drops are of the energies are there. That's why we have to use it judicially. That's why how to digest the energy we have talked about it. Kindly do the anulom vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. This will stabilization, it will do the stabilization and the digestion of the energy in the breathing system to fight the corona. Because if this energy will be destroyed or the consumed by any other part, I do not want to consume the energy in the other part. I do not want to do the correctness of my eyes or my ear, because the corona circuit is related. Sorry, corona is related with the breathing circuit. That's why I am very much concerned about the breathing circuit only. That's why I am suggesting the anulom vilom breathing, because the energy will be 100% focused on your nostril only. And once again, knowing is very good, but the doing is always better. Kindly, and the corona and the COVID-19 series episodes will be continued. The Armageddon against the corona will be certainly and definitely will be won by us. The Titanic will not be sink this time. I can give the guarantee to you, and the Noah's Ark will once again touch the land, and at last we will fight and conquer the corona or the COVID-19. If there is any kind of the questions, doubts, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, then that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. Any kind of the questions of any kind of the life dimension can be covered. You will see, you can just feel me like your friend. You will ask, I will do my the best to attend it as soon as possible. I can cover it in the episodes or in the future episodes. Questions may be any kind of the things. What do you mean by the energy or the body electricity? You may be the Homer Simpson or the Sindbad Jahaji from the North Pole, or you may be the Dr. Minnie Mouse from the North Pole. You may be anyone across the globe. You can feel free to talk to me. I am always available with you, my dear friends. And thanks once again for the watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I bow to you.